Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you the PWD command in Linux, which stands for present working directory. By the end of this video, you will know all the practical use cases of PWD command. Let's get started. PWD command is used to display the full name of the current working directory. Think of it as a way to know exactly where you are in the Linux file system. So we are seeing the man page for PWD command. So if I run PWD, you can see my present working directory is /home/admin user. This means you are in a /home/admin user path. So using -l option with PWD command, capital L, it shows the logical path as stored in the environment. Useful if the symbolic links are involved, as it does not resolve them. So here you can see we don't have any symlink created. So that's why it is showing /home/admin user. We will see further. We will do the demo by creating a symlink. Let's understand the basic first. Next, let us see the next option, PWD-P. This command shows the physical path by resolving all symbolic links. It is useful when working with the links to ensure the actual directory structure in use. Let's create an example to demonstrate the difference between PWD-L and PWD-P using symbolic links. So what I will do, I will create a directory /tmp, created a directory. Let's create a file in text directory file.txt. So we'll create testdir. We'll create a symlink /temp/test user, which we have created, and in temp only we will create a symlink testdir underscore link. So when you see ll, here it will show the symlink. We have created the symlink testdir underscore link for the directory /temp test dir. This is the directory. For this we created a symlink. So let's navigate to this symlink. Here PWD will shows the present working directory, and PWD-L, this will also display temp temp test directory underscore link, because it resolves the symbolic link. And when we run PWD-P, this will display the physical path, which is /temp/test dir. See, this is the difference between PWD-L, PWD-P. So PWD-L follows the symbolic links and displays the logical path you are working within, which is a linked directory. And PWD-P, it will display physical location of the directory on the disk itself. So we created /temp/test dir and created symlink here. So PWD-P shows the actual physical location of the directory on the disk, which is the original directory. This example clearly demonstrates the difference between PWD-L and PWD-P when dealing with symbolic links. So if we navigate to /tmp and check PWD, it will show /temp directory. And in automation, in automation, if you're writing a script, so how we can use it, like example, current directory I will mention as a $PWD. Okay. And next, what I will do, I will echo script running in something like this, and we'll call current directory. So here you can see the current directory was /tmp. So we have used PWD command in script to capture the current directory, which will be used in automated task. And if I want to list like this, also we can use, it will list all the files. I have used ls-l dollar in braces. I have used PWD. If you've forgotten the path, PWD command is a quick lifesaver when you get lost, and symbolic link makes confusion when then use PWD-P for clarity. Shortcuts for the beginners always run PWD before important operations. If you want to unlink the symbolic link which we have created just now for the demo purpose, go to the TMP. We are already in temp directory. So here do ll. Here it will show the symbolic link. How we can unlink the directory by using unlink command followed by the directory name which we have created a link. Okay. So this you will not be able to see now when I run ll command. See, the symbolic link is unlinked now. This removes the symbolic link name testdir underscore link in the temp directory. Unlike rm, which can remove both files and symbolic links, unlink is specially designed to remove a single file or a symbolic links. The PWD command is designed to do one job, well display the current working directory. Beyond -l man PWD beyond -l and -p, there are no additional options or flags. Most variation in functionality comes from how it interacts with symbolic links and the shell environment. That's all for the PWD command. It's a simple yet powerful tool in Linux. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Linux command tutorials. Thanks for watching.